Have you ever uploaded a short and when you take a look at your video, the thumbnail, it's all blurred out and like some words are all over the place and it's not as you want it to be? Well, in this video, I'm just gonna show you a quick process of how to set up a thumbnail for your uploaded YouTube short. And it is something that you cannot do on a desktop version of a YouTube studio. You have to do it on your mobile phone, but it's a very simple process. Let's get right into it. So right here on your phone, just go to YouTube, go to your channel, click view channel right here, and then click on shorts right there. And as you can see right here, I have uploaded a couple of shorts right here. But for example, if I want to change a thumbnail on this short right here, I will click on these three dots right there. I will click on edit, and then right here in this corner, you have this pencil, click on it. And then basically YouTube Studio will upload this entire video into the thumbnail section. And then you can just tap and scroll throughout your video to choose which section do you want as your thumbnail. Now, you cannot upload a separate thumbnail for your YouTube short, but you can choose whatever you want from your short. For example, if I want to choose just here Irfan delete subscribe, I will click this check mark right there, and as you can see, it has changed to the Irfan delete subscribe, and I will just go save right there. And then once this is done, as you can see, it has updated it right here, and now this is my new thumbnail. If you want to learn some similar tips and tricks, I recommend joining our YouTube Hobby Academy. This is a cool community of like-minded creators who like to network together. We have like 100 members at this very moment. Yes, 100 members. And we also have a classroom that is full of courses that can help you kickstart your YouTube journey, or if you are a serious creator, we have a full YouTube course that is set up to generate more views and more sales for you. So if this is something that looks interesting to you, go check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.